Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking your niche and audience. This focus makes every decision easier. Once chosen, buy a short domain and reliable hosting, then install your CMS and enable SSL. Next, create a 30-day content plan with 10 topic ideas and keyword intent. Write and publish your first 3 long-form, value-first posts. These demonstrate quality to readers and search engines. Make sure each post targets a distinct keyword cluster and includes clear calls to action, so you start collecting early email subscribers and engagement. Once you have baseline content, organize pillar pages and supporting cluster posts to signal topical authority. Optimize on-page SEO, titles, meta, internal links, and schema, track rankings and organic clicks. Simultaneously, set up an email provider and deploy a compelling lead magnet to convert traffic into a repeatable audience. Start monetizing with affiliate links, display ads, and a small digital product or service offering. Test pricing and placement. Make sure to track conversion rates and focus traffic efforts where ROI is highest. To finish the roadmap, systematize and scale. Outsource writing, editing, and technical tasks so you can focus on growth. Productize expertise with a course or coaching package and run a modest paid test campaign to validate pricing and demand. Track revenue sources and diversify, add recurring options and higher ticket services. If growth stalls, do a focused troubleshooting audit. Check analytics, refresh underperforming posts, fix technical SEO, and ramp up outreach, guest posts, collaborations, and targeted promotion until you regain upward momentum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.